Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Storm Rider. This is a place where you get to kick back, relax, while I open up a cool box. Today, I've got a box of, I think 6 pops, and this is from the Funko fridge. He's a YouTuber, so from Western Australia, so I'll link him down below. We did I did a live with him and a few others at the start of the week, and we're hoping that every Sunday we're going to do sort of a catch up the week of pop sort of thing. Who knows? There's going to be me, him, and Funko Cassie from Reseller Jenny. So we shall see what he got, what he gave me. So while I'm opening it up, you know the routine. Go down below, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribed and click the bell. Let me know how you went with SDCC, if you got any. I got 3 right there, and maybe for the live. Well, for the live we'll be talking about that then for sure. But I got Stanley, I got Wade Wilson, Weapon X, and I got Cyborg Superman. So I have no idea what could be in this. It's just like, do you want a mystery box? I said, how much? We've got 4 pops and something else. And I saw the something else. I can't tell the 4 pops. So I'll pull the something else out first. And it's a Gears of War, Marcus Phoenix. Oh, that looks nice. I've got they did a wipeout in this. The spaceship that you raced. So he'll be pulled out of the box and yeah. Okay. To the 4 pops. Try not to look. Okay. We've got a sticker. Ooh, Doctor Strange. Yes. He's in the gold. For some silly reason, I started collecting the gold, and I don't have Doctor Strange. You'd think he's been watching my boxes, watching my videos. So just to put him in the collection. Yeah. It's 8, but you know what? I don't care. He's going up there with all the others. So add to collection. Alright. Next. Ooh, the Gamerverse Civil Warrior. Oh, glow in the dark. Oh, I'll have to test that out. This is Contest of Champions. Mad. Like the King Groot, Guillotine, Civil Warrior, Punisher 2099. There's a big Howard the Duck and Venompool. Oh, look at the Howard the Duck. Cat just decided, hey, box. Okay, next we got a pop protector. And okay, I actually just bought this. But that's cool. That's cool. I'll go in. I'll still. Probably, I don't know. I'll work out. Yeah. I just bought him. Like, just come this week. So that's funny. Hey, still a good pop. And then. Oh, I can never say. Mr. Mitzikiklik. No, 2019 Spring Convention. So that would have been ECCC. Not bad. Yeah, they're all going into the collection. I don't know what I'll do with. Yep, ECCC with Jareth, but like it is a pop that I like. So that's today's little. Not too bad. Little haul. So that's the Funko fridge. I'll link him down below. I'll link. He's got a YouTube, and he's got Insta. So I'll link them all down below. Now, don't forget live. Not sure time, but it'll be Sunday. So I hope you all stay safe and have a good day.